How's it going, everyone? Mike here. It is October 5th, and I know you guys are going to hate me for this, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to start talking about Christmas right now, and I think it's actually a pretty smart move. And anybody watching this should actually be thinking about, December and holiday season. So anyways, I don't know if you guys are signed up or if you get these types of emails from, let's say, Etsy, Printful. I get them from, Redbubble, all sorts of things, all sorts of sources. And I know it can get overwhelming sometimes getting all that kind of information. And a lot of times I don't even click on these articles, but once in a while I do. And I was actually thinking, and maybe this is a question for you guys, if it would be beneficial to you if I, for example, did this from time to time and summarize maybe a couple of these articles and put them in a video format for you guys that's maybe like 5-10 minutes, maybe 15, depending on the type of information. But if it's something that you find useful, let me know. But as I was going through this, and this is as you can see here from Etsy staff, it's person Mary, and it's Etsy Insights, holiday trends to consider. So as I'm going through this, I'm a lot of this information is, for example, not for print on demand, but it's useful information. Again, it is useful information, especially when the source is like Etsy staff, like they have the insights, they have the analytics, all that kind of stuff. So anyways, I got to this point, and that's the topic of this video. We're going to be talking about matching family, I guess, in our case, because it's merch by Amazon, it's going to be t-shirts, maybe sweatshirts, but matching outfits for Christmas and then holiday season. So like I said, you can read this because you can always pause this video and read all this information. But the point that got me was this: gatherings on special occasions are anticipated to resume this year and will be a way for friends and family to reunite. Keep in mind, last year, I don't know if it was the previous year, a lot of people were not getting together, right? Last year was a very unique year. So this year, a lot of people, it will be a lot bigger than what we're used to. So they're saying with in-person gatherings returning, costumes, accessories, ugly Christmas sweaters, and festive holiday party attire are expected to shine. So this is, again, ugly Christmas sweaters, festive holiday party attire, perfect. And then we go further and it says we're seeing earlier than expected excitement for seasonal favorites like matching family pajamas. Okay. Which we expect to continue to accelerate throughout the duration of holiday season. So they're talking about PJs here, pajamas. We're talking about t-shirts, same thing. And let's get into this because I want everybody, especially in lower tiers, to realize that this is a huge opportunity. If you get a shirt, a sweatshirt, hoodie, whatever it is, that people are buying in larger numbers. They're not just buying one-offs. That is a huge opportunity to make some serious money, especially around Christmas. So what I've done is I've prepared a few examples here for you guys. We're going to talk about different designs, but we're going to look at the price. We're going to look at the Amazon's choice tag and all that kind of stuff to give you some ideas. So again, keep in mind that the point of this is to create one design, but for somebody to buy 3 or 5 or 10. Right? We're going to look at these designs and see what they look like. So this is the brand is Best of Christmas Gifts. I'm the favorite elf, matching family group Christmas t-shirt. Right? Keep in mind, again, the whole theme here is matching family group. This one says I'm the favorite elf. And now if anybody, well, I guess people in lower tiers are newer to the whole print on demand industry. If you've never heard the term scalable design, this is what it is. So for example, I'm the favorite elf here, and then the gamer elf. We have the queen elf, Santa's favorite elf, right? You get the point here. You can make 1,000 of these with the same design, and as you can see here, these sell well. It is Amazon's choice for I'm the elf shirt. Now, this one is priced at $13.07. Okay, fair enough. I don't know when that was, for example, changed because, a lot of these, and this is a different brand, are priced higher at $17.49, as you can see here. This one's $15.99. So I don't know if this one's trying to break through and get momentum before Christmas because we're still pretty early in the season. But this is one of the designs. Again, very simple design, but it really gets the point across, and it hits that theme, which is, you know, family group. And it's also matching, right? Multiple people can wear this, and then maybe somebody in the group can wear this one. Maybe somebody can wear this one, whatever the case is. But again, the point is to come up with the design that will not sell one, that will most likely sell a few. If we look at these were listed back in 2019. Right now, the bestseller rank is not the greatest, but again, keep in mind that this one has an Amazon's Choice tag for a very, very common, I guess, search term, which means that, you know, as we get closer to November and December, a lot more people will be buying these items. Let's look at this one. This one's very similar. It looks, one of these could be like a copycat, right? Because it's not the exact same design, but it's the same design, but it's not exactly the same. And you know, this one gets sales as well. Look at the number of ratings, right? But let's look at the brand and the title. Christmas family matching, funny, I'm the elf store, right? So if we look at the I'm the elf shirt, which is the Amazon's Choice tag, this person has that terminology in their brand name. So gamer, elf family matching Christmas group, funny gift, pajama, t-shirt, right? This is, I guess, the definition of keyword stuffing, because, you know, even if we go back to the Etsy article and we look at, you know, what they're looking for, and it says seasonal favorites like matching family pajamas, this person, where is it? Here we go. Is using the term, even though this is just a standard t-shirt, right? But again, they threw that in there because it's a very strategic move. And then if we go look at the points, you can see that there's more keyword stuffing, right? It's set for men, women, adults, kids, boys and girls, mom, dad. It just really, really goes on. And then of course they throw in, you know, PJ top wear. But again, we know it's just a t-shirt, right? Anyway, it's very smart. Bestseller rank, look at this, 131. So even though this one has Amazon's Choice for the favorite elf, the more specific one, the one for gamers, is really, really outselling the other one as of right now, right? And it is actually priced at $15.99, which means that this person has a better, higher profit margin. Same company, same brand, same type of thing here, except Queen, right? The Queen elf, Santa's favorite elf, and then we'll go into this next one. So again, just to wrap this up here, as you can see, you know, ratings are out of this world: 166, 329, 125. They were all listed around the same time. Bestseller rank as of right now, all of them are very low. So I mean, that's just going to keep getting better as time goes on. So this is kind of like winning the lottery with these designs, because this person has so many, and so many have sold and really, really well. Another, I guess, idea for a design. Keep in mind, all these are still group, they're matching, they're family designs. Just very simple. Christmas squad, right? And look at the repetition in the brand and the title. Christmas matching family group PJs and red plaid. Christmas squad family group matching Christmas party. Like, I mean, again, just so many keywords here, and I always think, is it good to kind of go through that process of keyword stuffing? It's always recommended not to do that, because then you're putting your products in front of customers who are not looking for them. But again, with the bestseller rank like this, it just shows you that it is selling. This was listed last year, so you know, I guess this kind of stuff sells. It's a very simple design, but it's what the customers are looking for. So I have this one, and which was supposed to be related to that one, but then it will actually, you'll see there's a couple of similarities here. But this is just very simple. Christmas Squad, and then this was supposed to be like the competitor. This one's listed at $19.99. Same thing, matching family group Christmas party, right? Same idea. You get it by now, but again, the designs are there and they sell. I wanted to show you this one and the next one, and again, I'll go back to that idea of a scalable design for anybody new to print on demand. The point is that you have a same design, but then you just change certain things, certain words. And in this case, as you can see, it's exactly the same design, same font. This one says Christmas 2021. This one says Merry Christmas, but again, it's the same image, and it's that whole, friends and family group design. Group PJs, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to title it. And then the last one that I prepared is this. This is my Christmas pajama shirt, and again, it's that T-shirt, but it is meant for that group purchase, larger purchase, not just one. Even though it could be one, most likely people will be looking to buy 2, 3, 5 of these for the whole group, for the whole family. So again, I'll just go back, quick little reminder or summary. When you find a design that sells, expand on it. This one you can turn into 100, into 200 different designs, and if it sells, as you can see here, like these ones are better sellers. The fact that this person has the gamer elf, the queen elf, and we go further, Santa's favorite elf, it just shows you that they probably have 500 other designs that are listed under this brand, and with the same title, with the same points, and I'm not surprised, but with the same number of sales. So anyways, that's it. So thank you, Etsy, for sending these articles, because it's very useful information. And then for anybody else, I would encourage you to go through them, because again, I know sometimes it's hard to click on those emails and be like, okay, what's this, another spam email from Etsy, from Printful. But once in a while, even if it's just one point, this could be for all the other sellers on Etsy, where people are selling jewelry or personalized name puzzles. For us, what's important is this, and then you can take that point and do some do a little more research, and then look at designs, and then kind of get ideas, and that's the point of all this. Anyways, I'll wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck this Q4, and let's see how we end the year. I'm very excited, very optimistic, and I'll end it here. Thank you guys for watching.